How to make tinga. Right here I have one boneless skinless chicken breast that I boiled with 2 tablespoons of salt and a half an onion. Shred it up. We are now going to cut up the onion into little strips. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you make it a different way, tell me how you do it in the comment section below. We are now boiling 1.5 tomatoes. I have the tomatoes in the blender, and now I am adding 6 Chipotle and adobo sauce peppers. Here we are putting 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 4 teaspoons of oil, and we are now going to cook the onions until they are clear. Now that the onions are starting to look clear, we are going to add the chili. Now that the mixture is hot, we are going to add the chicken. Put a little at a time so you can mix it up. I ended up not using a third of it. Here is the tinga already made. We have a tostada with the tinga, and we are now adding Queso Fresco. You can also add sour cream. Remember, everything is hilarious with Hilario.